What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got another huge unboxing for you guys. I had such a fun time opening the Topps Finest Overtime Elite Basketball hobby boxes that I went all out and bought 2 more of them. So we're just going to open up today and see what we get, see what hits we get, see what autographs and signatures, see what the top players are. If you remember from our last video, we got some really solid pulls, like some of the parallels of Amen Thompson, Thompson. We actually pulled that signature of Nasir over here in the right hand. Oh, Nasir Cunningham right here. We pulled his blue refractor signature. So we're excited to see what we're gonna get for this next video. And yeah, let's just get into it. All right. After actually opening up the last box, we actually have kind of like a good idea of what we should be looking forward to, kind of the top players for the upcoming draft. I know some of them will be up for 2024. Just cut that out. Yeah, got that box ready to go. Let's get this box ready to go too. All right, got these 4 boxes here, guaranteed signatures for each of them. Let's just get into it. I'm hoping to actually try and pull that Amen Thompson signature or Thompson. Kanan Carlisle would be a great one too, since he's on the cover as well. I believe Amen Thompson's already in the league. He plays for the Houston Rockets, if I remember correctly. So we'll see if he ends up getting Rookie of the Year or something cool like that. Actually have him up right here, the top players. I know this guy I'm seeing here, Rob Dillingham. We pulled a couple nice refractors of his as well. But I think he's still gonna be in that league for a while before declaring for the draft. We'll see, maybe 2024. Get that open. All right, let's see what we get. First pack luck. All right. Let's see what we get here. It'd be funny if you actually pull a signature first pack. Let's see what we get. All right, little base set, Ralph Martino Jr. Oh, look, we got a little peeking numbered card coming through already. Jockey Howard. Nice, 31 out of 250, little purple refractor. Not too bad. Starting this off really nice. We were just talking about Kanan Carlisle. Actually, don't know what position he plays from what I remember correctly here. Scrolling through. Actually, let me pull this up. I know that we found something here like that. Players in the league. Here we go. Go Control F, find. Kanan Carlisle. Oh, he's a guard. Nah, mine bad. All right, cool. Probably should do more research, but learning as we go. Let's continue with this. Oh, speak of it, Rob Dillingham. There we go, another guard. All right, we have his base set as well as a purple refractor. Not bad. 1 hit on the first pack. That sounds good to me. All right, second pack. Let's see what we get. Sorry, probably should not show the back cards, but all right, John Walker. Nathan Messiadio. Oh, here's our signature. Alexander Sarr. Oh, nice. Not sure who this is, but let me check. Sorry, taking some time on the computer. Let's see who we get here. Alexander Sari is a center. 7'1", 18 years old. Dang, nice. That's crazy. All right, solid height. Big man. Good pull. Let's set that in the hits pile. Amen Thompson and Malik Bowman. All right, that was our SIG. Let's continue going. You know, from the last video, there are multiple chances to get multiple signatures in one box too. It's just the minimum is one signature per box. So a lot more to open. Let's continue. Devontae's Cobb. Tyler Bay. Rivals. Who is this? All unnumbered. I'll show this off screen first so you don't ruin it. I'm not looking either. Who is this? Tyler Smith, forward. Rivals insert. That's fine by me. Here, let's see what we got here. Tudor Samasesu, 2/99. Oh, nice. All right. Point guard. Fine by me. The little green refractor. And then Jaden Williams. This is pretty good. Getting hits. First two packs. Let's continue this. Third pack. Let's see what we get. I gotta get better at not showing the front cards. Jalen Lewis. Ryan Booley. Nice. I love these covers. These Planet Elite and like comic book cover ones. Tudor Samasesu. I do like this. I kind of wish I would get a hit on one of like the refractors or one of the variant ones, but this is pretty cool. J.K. Howard and Jazar Jackson. I know we got this dude's signature or one of his variants. Let's continue. Fourth pack. All right, Nasir Cunningham. Got your signature. Oh, a little peeking there. Ooh, I like this one. Jazian Gortman. 60/75. That's some nice rarity there. What position does this guy play? He's a point guard. Nice. Wayne G. Dreamers. I like that. That card. Love the artwork on all of these. So I decided to get a whole new, like another box. Definitely with like the NBA coming up, we're gonna see some of these dudes who have already been playing. And then we'll also get to see the draft for next year coming, see if we strike any gold. Cannon Carlisle, Malik Bowman, Ryan Booley. Last pack of box 1. Let's keep it going. Hits every pack, hits every pack. I love it. Somto Cyril. Bryson Tiller. Jazian Gordman, put his arrivals insert. It's a nice little one. Little numbered 6/50. Nice, Eli Ellis. And then Amen Thompson. Let me check here. Point guard. Nice. I'm not sure if he's drafted. I don't think this guy's drafted yet, but 6/50. Nice. Little rookie card. Who does he play for? Okay. See, Reapers. All right, and last card is Amen Thompson. Let's put this. Let's get in the box number 2. That was okay. Liking the fact we're not getting much duplicates with like the last opening that we had, which is great. Love getting new signatures, but we're still waiting though for that big hit. Unless I'm like completely selling in. This guy Alexander Sarr is like a beast that I don't really know about. Still need to do some more research. Alright. Let's go. Pack 1. Pack 1, box 2. You get better at this. I'm gonna open this going opposite way so I don't see what's going on. Alright, flip. Cook Yacht. I remember this dude. This is like one of those huge up and comers, like super tall dude. I remember he's like one of like a beastie centers. Maybe I'll double check here on this website. Sorry, didn't mean to hit that. Didn't mean to hit the camera. Yeah, he's a forward. 6'9" forward, but I remember them. He was like on the list of players to watch. But awesome, we got his signature. He was actually one of the bonus signatures too that we got, which is great. I think it was like an arrivals card. Tyler Smith, a little cracked ice. I like it. Numbered 128 out of 175. Another insert right here. Rob Dillingham. We have like 3 other inserts from the last opening too. Awesome. Awesome. What do we have here? Cannon Carlisle. I know we got some of his stuff. And then Jalen Lewis, the base sets. Pack 2, box 2. Flip this over. TJ Clark. Ooh, numbered. Isman Almanza. 57 out of 150. Nice. Do not know this player too much. What is this? 6'10" forward. Draft class of 2024. We will see this dude next year then. Nice. Jaden Williams. Tyler Smith. And Jazin Gordon. Let's get to pack 3. All right, flip this over. Bryson Warren. Izan Almanza. It's kind of crazy. I never see these I never saw this player in like even the last 4 boxes we opened in the last video. Pretty cool. Ooh, a rivals insert. Ooh, sorry. Guard. Draft class 2024. Nice, all right. Alexander Sarr. Jaden Williams. Pack 3. I can't really speak on myself on like the return of investment on these yet, because these are a little more on the expensive. I can't remember. It was something like 30 or 40 bucks or something. Actually, I can't remember, maybe 60. So really don't know the return of investment yet, but we will see. Like once we see what's going on with the league next year as well as the draft, we'll see. Then we'll see if we get any hits. Nasir Cunningham, Ryan Booley, Tudor Semisesu. Oh, back to back. Interesting. And then Kalen Carlisle. Nothing special about those ones. Don't remember. Oh well. Weird pack. Not too much heat with this last box, but who knows? We haven't gotten to our signature yet. We will see what we get. Tudor Semisesu. There's some like, whoa, okay, he's like posing differently. I guess there's like different variants. Should I be collecting? I never throw any of these cards away, but just wondering like different poses. Am I supposed to be? Tyler Bay. All right, we'll just set that one down. Interesting variance between them. Don't really understand it myself. What's this coming up? Ooh, 48 out of 50. Oh, I think we're finally getting our first numbered, one of those like comic book cover ones. Planet Elite, yeah. Rookie card, let's see. Somto Cyril, nice. It's like a variant and numbered, super low in quantity too, 48 out of 50. That's freaking awesome. And then another insert rival, B. Warren. Dang, this is awesome. Center. Get that. Nice, nice, nice. That's actually what I was really hoping for. Like one of those Planet Elites, but like a numbered. Crane and Carlisle. So I'll set that one aside. And then this goes into the base set stack. Last pack. So that means the signature's got to be in this one, right? We didn't really come across it yet. All right, boys and girls, anyone who's watching. Flipping around. Trey Parker. Jaden Williams. Oh! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Nasir Cunningham. Arrivals variant and numbered. Super, super low. Look at that. 48 out of 50. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. This literally made the whole box for me. That and the other Planet Elite. Oh, we got another Planet Elite. Oh, this box is getting better and better. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh man. We literally have two signatures of them. We have the base set blue signature and then this one as well. I don't know if it was a base set. I think it was like a variant we had of the last one too. Oh, wow. This is great. Great stuff. Trey Parker, Planet Elite as well. Whew. That one got me shaking a little bit. Trey Parker. Nice Planet Elite. That's what I'm talking about. Kind of want to sleeve that one. Should I sleeve that one? Yeah, let me get my sleeve. Let me get the card sleeve out for that specific one. Don't want that one to get damaged. Let's go. Nice. One of the big hits. That's what I'm talking about from the boxes. And we still got 2 more hobby boxes to go. Let's go. Probably should have sleeved that other signature, but let's see. Oh, isn't it moving? Let's get this in order. Let's get this started. Let's get this continued, I mean. Let's continue. Set this aside. All right. Pack 1. Let's continue this. Let's continue these hits. All right. Flippy flip. Ralph Martino Jr. We got a little thing peeking. Ooh, 146. A little numbered. I like it. Bryson Warren. Let's go. Numbered. He plays for another numbered. Out of 250. Bryson Warren. Jazair Jackson. Nice. I know we pulled him too in the last video. Who does this dude play for? Point guard. He's also going to be in the draft class of 2024. Nice. Get that little set down. Jazair Jackson. Love the artwork. Jackie Howard. Amen Thompson. Flip. John Walker. Nathan Messiadio. Malik Bowman. Malik Bowman again. Different variant. Jaden Williams. Oh, dry pack. I guess between those two variants of his position, but still. Hold on, sorry. Get a peek at this card. Yeah, sorry, I thought I saw a scratch on this one. All right, sorry, we'll continue. All right, what is this? Third pack? No, second. Second pack. All right. Devontae Cobb. Tyler Bay. Ooh, signature. Here it is. Nathan Messiadio. Signature, followed by Santos Cyril. 199. Whoa. The Dreamers. All right. Just don't want to bend it at all. Keep those corners pristine. Nice little pull. Not sure who the player is. Gotta probably do some research. Check that out. Santos Cyril insert. And Jockey Howard. Third pack. See if there's any more signatures inside this pack. I mean, this box. Jalen Lewis. Getting Carlisle Rivals insert. Alexander Sarr. Oh, that's right. It's their second card of his. Number 2. 96 and a 125. Awesome. Base sets. Jazar Jackson and Malik Bowman. Right. Really eluding us is kind of gotten Kane and Carlisle, Mr. Cunningham, but where is Amen Thompson or Amen Thompson? That's my question. Not getting much of him in this pack. Ryan Booley, little base set Nasir. Ryan Booley. These refractive ones are a little bit different, huh? This is a refractor. Or like hollow or something. This one's not hollow. I had to go through and sort through those. I feel like maybe I've made us a mistake then. Sir Thompson. This is what we're talking about, but last pack. Last pack. This one's a little thick. Let's see what we got here. Santos Cyril. I always wonder if that's damage on the card. Kind of does. I think that's artwork. Looks dirty. Dang, that kind of sucks for some of these base sets. Ooh, there we go. Planet Elites. Bryce Griggs. Nice. That was the thick one. Oh, wait, no, I wasn't. Numbered 675 Jockey Howard. Nice. Awesome. I haven't gotten much of his variants. I think this is the first one. Position does he play? Small forward. 2025. Oh, it's an early card. That one's going to have to be an investment. All right. Last box. Let's see what we get. First pack. Let's get it. Flip. Amen Thompson. That's like the only base set we saw of this guy now. Jazen Gordman. Arrivals. Amen Thompson. I think I don't have this yet. That's a good hit. Eli Ellis and Rob Dillingham. All right. Pack 2. So we got ZZ Clark. Got a lot of him last time. Ooh, Alexander Sarr again. Cracked dice. I think that's what it was called. Correct me if I'm wrong. Awesome, I love this. This is good. Sarah Thompson, a little reflective variant. Martino Jr. Tyler Smith. All right. Pack 2. Ooh, something went wrong with the rip there. Just resort to a blade. ZZ Clark. Rob Dillingham. Devontae Cobbs, I think. Ooh, numbered. Tyler Smith. Nice. Like these green variants. Jalen Martin. All right. Still something, nothing too crazy. See what we get here. Bryce Griggs. Tudor Simisesu. Oh, we got one of those Planet Elites peeking. Devontae Cobbs, Cyberspace. Ooh. I like that. That's a cool little cover. Ryan Booley and ZZ Clark. Still haven't hit our autograph yet. Still the last 2 packs, guaranteed. I'm interested to see who we get. Whoop. Izan Almanza. Tyler Smith. What is this? Yellow Cannon Carlisle. Whoa, nice. This is what I'm talking about. I've been waiting for something good. A little, like, rare variant. 33 out of 50. These are always good ones. I really want to get, like, an out of 25. That would be great. Just to see something like that would be really cool. Tyler Bay. And Alexander Sarr. Looks like our signatures in the last pack. I like that. A little nervous now. Maybe this will be the thumb. This will be the thumbnail right here. Let's go. All right. Little flip. Let's see who we get. I'm excited. Matt Booley. Whoa. I haven't seen this one yet. Finest. What does it say? Finest apprentices. Dang, that is really cool. A rookie card. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Holy. Oh, we pulled Amen Thompson's signature. This is what we've been searching for. Oh, bro, this video is a banger. Let's go. Oh my gosh. We pulled him, boys. Let's go. Oh man. Corners look great too, and it's like a holo. It's not even like a base one. A little holographic. Look at that. Woo! We filled Amen Thompson. The chase is over. Oh man, We pulled, I think we pulled all three of the cover athletes now. Kane and Carlisle, I think we have his signature as well. If not, it's fine. But this is one that we were chasing this whole time. Oh my gosh, we pulled Amen Thompson's signature. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Not to discount those other two last tier here, but Matt Booley and Malik Bowman. But let me get a sleeve. That's freaking awesome. Whew. So it's making me shake a bit. Don't want to damage it anyway. It looks, oh sorry, I'm just like taking some time to look at it before I slide the card inside. I'm just checking to see if there's like any like scuffs or anything on it. It looks super clean. Little dirt at the top, but nonetheless, that is like pristine. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed about that dirt. I wonder if they can just like, clean that off, but I don't want to mess around with it anymore. Ooh, the chase is over. We found him. Amen Thompson's signature. It's looking like we got most of them. Actually, we got Nasir Cunningham twice now. Amen Thompson. Pretty sure we pulled Kane and Carlisle's signature the last pack. I'm pretty sure, if not. But oh, I forgot about this one too. I just got so excited. Let me pull this up. This is pretty cool too. I've never seen the Finest Apprentice yet. I'll pull out a, yeah, we'll get a sleeve for that one too, don't worry. But dang, thanks for bearing with through the video. Oh shoot. Thanks for bearing through the video, like taking time, but man, we got him. We got him. Thanks for sticking with the video. This has been an awesome ending to it. Hope you like stay in tune for like the rest. I know I'm gonna be opening way more boxes and more chases for cards that we're looking for. But I'm just super satisfied after this one. All right, I'll catch y'all later on the next one. Peace.